What's up guys, it's Kamamas92 here, and today I'll be showing you how to get a custom ringtone. So if you go to settings and look at this, you'll see I've got these things. And if you look at these like normal like factory ringtones, they're not that good. Like you can't see songs and stuff unless you're on like Android. So I'll be showing you. Just a warning, this requires iOS 13, and yeah, so sorry about the quality if it's really bad. I'm not using a microphone or anything, but yeah. So first of all, you need to go into Safari and go into Google, and you have to get a song. So I'm just going to search up Old Town Road because I really like the song. Old Town Road MP3. So yeah, you can get it on iOS 12, but I just don't know it. So yeah, so you only need like 3 apps. So you need Safari, which you get. Yeah, you can't get rid of it. GarageBand, it's like the music making thing, and Files or Apple Music. So if you've got Apple Music, you don't have to do what I'm doing right now. But yeah. So first of all, you need to search up your song name with MP3. And you just click on one of the links where it says like download. Let me just hit this.
Old Town Road, I'm gonna.
Yep, that's good. So I'm gonna download this, and MP3. I'm going to search. I'm going to get this one. Sorry about the sounds. Yep. Now, if you've got iOS 13, this should pop up. Click download. You can delete the tab now. Just wait for this to load. And yeah, so you just go to settings, and this is the one. So now you need to go into GarageBand, and then you click plus, audio recorder, tap it, and now on the top left corner you should see right, you need to click that button right there, and yeah. So if you click that, it should change the view into this. To get rid of this blue triangle, because it gives you like tick tock on that, and then click this loop right here. So click on this loop, and you should see this. So if you're on Apple Music, so you need to get, like, the music you need is from your computer, like where you get it into it, not on your device, like in your playlist. So if you got it from Safari, go to Files, and then browse items where the Files at, and you should see, and choose your song, whichever one you got. So mine's, yeah, Little Next X, and then you just gotta drag it into here. Yeah, and now you need to click the little plus icon over there. 8 bar, turn it to 30, because that's the thing for ringtones. Maximum is 30, and then yeah. So now you gotta listen to your thing, and then see which one you like. And then you gotta choose which bit you would like your thing to. And then you have to choose which bit you'd like your thing to start from. Drag it up in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna.
Yeah, for some reason when I do Old Town Road, this happens. So I think it's like a glitch. So like it just goes over and over again. So I'll try and get another one. So I'll try and get another one. Here it is. So, let me see this. Okay, it's
Riding on a track.
so yeah, and then I'm going to download it. Downloading. Yeah, download. Download. Yeah, for some reason it does that. Okay, so I try again on a different link. That's for Android. Yeah, it is. Yeah, so it might take a while to find your best link, but it'll be worth it. So Lil Nas X, Old Town Road, Billy Ray. I'll try this one. Hello. Okay, I'll just download it. Let's like, yeah. Okay, this is taking a while. I'll just show you what's the song that I got earlier. So it's called Life is Fun. It's by Odd Ones Out and Boy in a Band. So what you need to do is click that again. Yeah, Boy in a Band, official, blah blah blah. And then do that. I'm just gonna set it as it is. So if you want to crop it, you just gotta do that and then drag it along in here. So I'm just gonna set it as this. Click my songs, it will save. And then you got a haptic or 3D touch on it. Click share, ringtone. Yeah, click continue and set it to whatever you like. Click export. Right now it's called IDK. Yeah, I couldn't think of a name. Yep, now click OK and go to settings and IDK. So it should be there. Yeah, that's not ringtone. Yeah. So there you have it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will put the link to how to get iOS 13 beta in the iCard on the top right corner. So make sure to check that out. And see ya.